loco things in Paris. And I wanted to do this video because I've been hearing a lot of comments about it from my last video with Clomer tour. And you guys really want to see my house tour and apartment. So that's gonna happen. So we have the living room. If you guys recognize me sitting right here, chair, other chair. Got a lot of chairs, gotta say. Then we have the couch, of course. Who doesn't? It's on my little trusty couch. Channel, of course. I have, well, another chair. I said we have a lot of chairs. I don't lie. One of my favorite parts, the view. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Let me open the door. Yeah. So if you guys look outside, you guys see that we have the Seine and then the Louvre, and it's really beautiful. Yeah. Then over here we have a little desk. A lot of those. Then we have one of my favorite little chairs. It's like the little sit and chill chair. Sit and chill. Little desk where I normally do some homework or some work or some editing. And then over here, my computer, the little kitchen table to eat, and this weird little statue, which I kind of think is weird. The guy's naked, but still, it's cute and cool. So moving forward, now let's go into the kitchen. So if you walk into my kitchen, well, I love the kitchen. It's just really pretty and really cool. Very like modern, also kind of old though. It's really cool. It's like antique and modern. So if you come in here, you have like these little like views. And then if you come really in here, you guys can see a lot of stuff. A lot of sun coming in today. We have some of our penne because lots of Italian people, we like our Italian stuff. Then some pans, some stuff, some food, and Floam. Each, I love Floam. And then on the way out, I can show you guys one of my favorite parts, which is my dad's wine cellar. It's really cool. Just really cool thing to have. So now I'm going to show you guys my dad's room. By the way, don't tell him I'm doing this, but he'll figure it out. But whatever. So, room, bed, which is really comfy, and I love this blanket. I steal it every night. And then we have a little chair, little cool mirror thingamabob, closet, view. Again, a lot of views here. Got some snow globe from one of my videos. That's just some cool other stuff. Then in here we have the bathroom, which I've kind of like called half of it because I'm obsessed with this bathroom. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3. Yay! So in here we have my bathtub. Sneak peek of my next video. Stuff that I have, just little stuffs. Bath bombs, of course, because I am a bath bomb girl. I am a lush girl. Pun. Lush girl. Lush little girl. And that's it for this room. So now I'm going to show you guys my room, which I'm really proud to show you guys. Okay, so back out to the amazing living room with the amazing view. How many times have I said that? Count that, please. So here we have just my school stuff. And thinking about my school stuff, don't forget to go into my giveaway, my iPhone X giveaway that I did with one in my Chloe video. So don't forget to comment down below Clomer and subscribe. And also if you guys want a second entry, you guys can go to my Instagram and follow me, and then also comment Clomer in one of my Chloe related posts. Let's go to my room now. So when we come in over here, we have stuff, right? This is a The Art of War book, right? I totally did that. Totally read that. Then in here we have some more books, actual books this time, I promise. My closet and stuff. So my closet, I'm really excited to show you guys because there's a lot of cool things in my closet. Left my little paint spader. And then in here we have all my clothes. So first thing you see, Dolce dress, Gucci dress, a lot of fancy dresses. So Chloe thing. I wore this to MUN one time. That was really fun. And I have some Armani things. So you guys have probably seen me wear this or this around. You guys have probably seen me wear those. Oh yeah. And then we have just some cool stuff. My little camera thingamabob, which I cannot remember, but Polaroid camera. There we go. Then a little VR thing. It's like a little cool, really cool VR thing. Put a little phone in there. It's really awesome. Squishy and thingamabob. Love the thingamabob. Then we have my dresser. Boston Paris, other cool thing. Then we have my little Karl Lagerfeld beach bag. If you guys saw it in my Monaco cover diary, probably have that in there. Maybe I don't. I think I do. Let's figure that out. Then we have this. Oh, seeing this wheel reminds me, don't forget about my iPhone X giveaway. Do not forget. Do not forget. Subscribe, become Clomer. Also, you can second entry in my Instagram. Do not forget. Then we have my little bed. I'm gonna fall between the cracks. So we have my little Louis bag and my Dolce bag, and then we have my UCLA banner because I love me some UCLA. UCLA. So here I have my UCLA shine because I just had to tell you guys I have that. Totally unnecessary. Totally not creepy, dude. Totally not creepy. Then I have some other clothes. I'd also like to know one other thing about the iPhone X giveaway before I forget. One thing I want to tell you guys is that it is completely random. I'm not picking and choosing. I'm not saying, oh, this person looks nice, or oh, this person's saying a lot of things. This person deserves, to win. I'm not saying that. So I'd like to note that it's just completely random and it's a complete random draw. So now I'm gonna show you guys other really cool stuff about Paris. I've showed you guys my house, the apartment tour. I've showed you guys my room. But now I'm gonna show you guys outside. Seine, Louvre, all these cool things. What cool restaurants do I go to? You guys are probably wondering that, so without further ado, let's get right into that. Woo! Remodeled it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought of my room and what you guys think I should add or maybe even change and take away. So, and also, don't forget to turn on the notifications bell so you never miss any of my videos because that would be really sad. Love you.